Immigration is a hot topic today, with President Obama and Democrats wanting to provide a path for certain people who've come here illegally to gain citizenship. On the other hand, the Republicans want to build more fences and keep everybody out. As a result of this battle, immigration fraud has become a hot area. Another common type of immigration fraud deals with smuggling, bringing in individuals who are illegal aliens, primarily from Mexico, but it's from other countries. And also, once they're here, transporting them around the United States or harboring them. And all of those are crimes. And in a twist, the government now is going after some transportation companies that on the surface appear to be legitimate bus companies, but according to the government are simply companies that are operating solely to transport illegal aliens across the country. And finally, and probably what is the most egregious form of immigration crime, is human trafficking. And oftentimes people pay a fee to come into this country, and then in order to work off that fee, they are put into prostitution or become indentured servants or slaves. And I had an opportunity to handle one of those cases where a woman who originally came in from Thailand as a prostitute herself and had to work off the fee became an entrepreneur, learned the business, learned English, and ended up running a business herself, bringing in people from Thailand. And oftentimes these people are children, almost always women, almost always people that are vulnerable. They may be vulnerable to begin with, but they're even more vulnerable when they arrive in this country because they don't speak the language, they don't have papers, they're scared, they don't want to turn to the police for help because they're worried that they themselves may be in trouble. And it's a crime that the government treats very seriously. Other times it may not be quite as egregious, but they may be brought in as labor, as help in a home or in a business, and basically as a practical matter kept under lock and key. Now, not literally, but they are essentially not free to go anywhere and are scared to go anywhere and basically become a slave for years. The government is cracking down severely on the leaders of these organizations and cartels that are engaged in this type of criminal activity. If anyone from ICE should contact you regarding alleged involvement in human trafficking, you should not speak with them. You should tell them you want to speak with an attorney, and you should hire an attorney to represent you that is skilled in representing immigration offenses, including human trafficking.